Unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and discover 50 innovative ways to use this powerful language model for your business or personal projects. In this video, we will go over the top 50 ways to ChatGPT with actual examples. Number 1. Answering questions. Example request: what is the capital of France? ChatGPT: the capital of France is Paris. Number 2. Providing definitions and explanations. Example request: what is a black hole? ChatGPT: a black hole is a region of space with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, including light, can escape it. Number 3. Generating text for creative writing. Example request: write a short story about a time traveler. ChatGPT: as the time machine whirred to life, John couldn't believe his eyes. He was really going to travel through time. He set the dials for the year 2050, and before he knew it, he was hurtling through time and space. When he landed, he found himself in a world unlike any he had ever seen before. Number 4. Translating languages. Example request: translate "hello, how are you" from English to Spanish. ChatGPT: hola, ¿cómo estás? Number 5. Summarizing text. Example request: summarize this article about global warming. ChatGPT: the article discusses the causes and effects of global warming and highlights the urgent need for action to mitigate its impact on the planet. Number 6. Generating code snippets. Example request: write a Python function that sorts a list of numbers. ChatGPT: def sort numbers. Numbers return sorted numbers. Number 7. Providing historical and cultural context. Example request: what is the significance of the Eiffel Tower in French culture? ChatGPT: the Eiffel Tower is an iconic symbol of French culture and history, representing the country's industrial progress and artistic ambition. Number 8. Generating product descriptions. Example request: write a product description for a new phone. ChatGPT: introducing the latest and greatest in smartphone technology, the X2. With its sleek and durable design, powerful processor, and advanced camera system, the X2 is the ultimate device for staying connected and capturing life's moments. Number 9. Providing weather forecasts. Example request: what is the forecast for tomorrow in New York City? ChatGPT: the forecast for tomorrow in New York City is partly cloudy with a high of 65 degrees and a low of 48 degrees. Number 10. Generating poetry and song lyrics. Example request: write a poem about love. ChatGPT: love is a rose, delicate and fair, its petals soft, its thorns beware, it blooms in spring, it lasts the fall, love is a rose, the sweetest of all. Number 11. Providing financial analysis and stock market predictions. Example request: what is your prediction for the stock market next month? ChatGPT: based on current market trends and analysis, I predict the stock market will see moderate growth next month. Number 12. Generating legal documents. Example request: write a contract for the sale of a car. ChatGPT: this contract is made and entered into by and between seller's name, seller, and buyer's name, buyer, for the purchase and sale of a year, make, and model of car, the vehicle. Number 13. Providing medical information and diagnosis. Example request: what are the symptoms of the flu? ChatGPT: symptoms of the flu include fever, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, muscle or body aches, headaches, and fatigue. Number 14. Generating scientific reports. Example request: write a report on the latest research on climate change. ChatGPT: the latest research on climate change shows that the Earth's average temperature is rising due to human activities, leading to severe consequences such as sea level rise and more frequent extreme weather events. Number 15. Providing personal assistance and scheduling. Example request: book a flight to Paris for next weekend. ChatGPT: I have found several flight options for you to Paris next weekend. Please confirm which one you prefer so I can book it for you. Number 16. Generating recipes and cooking instructions. Example request: write a recipe for a vegan curry. ChatGPT: ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 can of chickpeas, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add onion and garlic and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in curry powder, cook for 1 minute. Add chickpeas, diced tomatoes and coconut milk, bring to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve over rice or with naan bread. Number 17. Providing fashion and beauty advice. Example request: what is the latest trend in winter coats? ChatGPT: the latest trend in winter coats is oversized, padded coats in neutral colors such as black, beige and gray. Number 18. Generating horoscopes and astrological predictions. Example request: what is my horoscope for tomorrow? ChatGPT: according to the astrological forecast, tomorrow is a good day for you to focus on your relationships and partnerships. Number 19. Providing jokes and comedy. Example request: tell me a joke. ChatGPT: why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Number 20. Generating news articles. Example request: write a news article about the latest technology breakthrough. ChatGPT: scientists have made a breakthrough in artificial intelligence, developing a new machine learning algorithm that is capable of accurately predicting outcomes with a high degree of accuracy. This new technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as finance, healthcare, and transportation. Number 21. Providing real estate market analysis and property listings. Example request: what is the average price of a house in San Francisco? ChatGPT: the average price of a house in San Francisco is currently around $1.4 million. However, prices can vary depending on the location, size, and condition of the property. Number 22. Generating sports analysis and predictions. Example request: who will win the next football match between Manchester United and Chelsea? ChatGPT: based on current statistics and analysis, it looks like Manchester United has a stronger chance of winning the next football match against Chelsea. Number 23. Providing travel recommendations and itineraries. Example request: plan a trip to Japan. ChatGPT: for your trip to Japan, I recommend visiting Tokyo for its bustling city life, Kyoto for its historic temples, and Hiroshima for its somber history and beautiful nature. Some popular activities include visiting the Tokyo Sky Tree, exploring Fushimi Inari Shrine, and taking a day trip to Miyajima Island. Number 24. Generating investment advice and stock market analysis. Example request: what are some good stocks to invest in currently? ChatGPT: based on current market conditions, some good options for stocks to invest in include technology companies such as Apple and Amazon, as well as healthcare companies like Moderna and BioNTech. Number 25. Providing automotive reviews and comparisons. Example request: what is the best electric car to buy currently? ChatGPT: currently, some of the best electric cars on the market include the Tesla Model 3, the Audi e-tron, and the Jaguar I-Pace. Number 26. Generating home improvement and DIY instructions. Example request: how do I fix a leaky faucet? ChatGPT: to fix a leaky faucet, first, turn off the water supply to the faucet. Then, remove the handle and locate the valve stem. Replace the rubber O-ring seal on the valve stem and reassemble the handle. Turn the water supply back on and test for leaks. Number 27. Providing parenting and child development advice. Example request: how can I help my child with their homework? ChatGPT. To help your child with their homework, create a quiet and comfortable study space for them, establish a consistent homework routine, set clear expectations, and be available to answer questions and provide guidance. Number 28. Generating job search and career advice. Example request: what are some tips for acing a job interview? ChatGPT. Some tips for acing a job interview include researching the company and position beforehand, practicing your answers to common interview questions, dressing professionally, and bringing copies of your resume and references. Number 29. Providing relationship and dating advice. Example request: how can I build trust in a new relationship? ChatGPT. Building trust in a new relationship involves being honest and transparent, keeping your promises, being reliable and dependable, and being open and willing to work through any issues that may arise. Communication is also key in building trust, as it allows both partners to understand each other's needs, wants, and expectations. It also involves being willing to be vulnerable and sharing personal information with your partner as the relationship progresses. Trust takes time to develop, but with consistent effort and dedication, it can be built. Number 30. Generating gardening advice and plant care instructions. Example request: how do I care for a succulent plant? ChatGPT. Succulent plants are low maintenance and easy to care for. They prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. It's important to wait until the soil is completely dry before watering again, as succulents are susceptible to root rot. They also benefit from occasional fertilization during the growing season.